How did Hindu-Arabic numbers replace finger counting? Imagine trying to count on your fingers for every number, from 1 to 1,000. It would be slow and confusing, right? That's why humans looked for better ways to count and record numbers. Over time, a new system emerged that changed everything. This system is called the Hindu-Arabic Numeral System. It started in India between the 1st and 4th centuries and was fully developed by the 8th or 9th century. It introduced 10 symbols from 0 to 9 and the idea of 0 as a number and placeholder. This was a big deal because it meant numbers could be written more compactly and clearly. Before this system, people used finger counting, Roman numerals, or even the abacus. Finger counting was simple but limited. You could only count up to the number of fingers you had. Roman numerals were harder to do math with because they didn't have a place value system. The Hindu-Arabic system changed that by making numbers based on their position. For example, the number 123 is written with 3 digits, each representing a different value depending on where they are. This made calculations much easier and faster. The idea of 0 was especially important. It allowed people to write large numbers and perform complex calculations. Think about how much easier it is to add or multiply large numbers when you have a system that clearly shows the value of each digit. This system spread from India to the Arab world by the 9th century. Arab mathematicians like Al-Khwārizmī studied and improved it, and their work helped introduce these numbers to Europe. In Europe, the system became popular after the 13th century, especially thanks to Fibonacci's book, Liber Abaci. It showed merchants and traders how to do calculations more efficiently. Compared to earlier methods like finger counting or Roman numerals, the Hindu-Arabic system was much more practical. It made record-keeping, trade, and science easier, which helped society grow and develop. So, the reason Hindu-Arabic numbers replaced finger counting is because they offered a simple, powerful way to write and work with any number. They used symbols and the idea of position and 0, making calculations faster and more accurate. This shift marked a major step forward in how humans understood and used numbers, paving the way for modern mathematics and commerce.